Hi, my name is Dr. Eileen. They call me Dr. A for short. I am a healthcare provider and at the same time an educator. So I realize that we are most of the time in our home. So let's be productive. I want to share with you some things to do it yourself, like doing some mask. So I tried using this one. We can also use the traditional thread and needle, but this one is so quick, easy, and cheap. My daughter showed it to me and then she saw it in YouTube. So this is so easy. All we need is a bandana or even a big handkerchief. You can also have a rubber band or a hairband or even a garter. So I want to share with you how easy it is, and I guess this is worth sharing. So all you have to do is fold it into half and then fold it again, and then I choose this hairband. So insert it on both ends like this. Just insert it like that. And then again fold it. Fold it again. It's up to you if you want to insert it. And it's done. Look. Easy, right? But look. So, do we need to wear mask? Yes. To wear mask is to protect yourself and to protect others. That's why we need to wear mask, in order to avoid spreading the droplets. So it doesn't matter what kind of mask we're wearing, except of course for the frontliners and in the hospital settings. It is how we properly use it. First, we need to cover our nose and lips, right? Or mouth. Second, the most important thing is avoid trying to touch our mask, because of course our hands are always dirty, so we are placing the bacteria into our mask. So I prefer you do it yourself mask, very easy. I guess in this time we can show the world what we significantly can contribute. Thank you.